Hey y'all, it's Eddie Mann with Team George Weeks Real Estate. Today we're tackling something that's not the most exciting topic, but it's absolutely critical: homeowners insurance. Because let's be real, your home is probably the biggest investment you'll ever make, and the last thing you want is to be caught off guard when disaster strikes. Most standard homeowners insurance policies cover things like fire, theft, vandalism, and certain types of water damage. But notice I said certain types. If your house catches fire, which let's hope never happens, your policy will typically cover the damage and help with temporary living expenses if you need to relocate while repairs happen. Same goes for a busted pipe. Insurance usually steps in to cover the repairs. But here's where it gets tricky. Now, there are some big things that are not included in a standard policy. And if you're not careful, you might assume you're covered when you're actually not. Flooding? Nope. Standard homeowners insurance does not cover flood damage. You'll need a separate insurance policy for that. Even if you're not in a flood zone, it's something to consider because a heavy rainstorm can do just as much damage as a rising river. Earthquakes? Also not covered. If you live in an area prone to earthquakes or even minor tremors, you'll need to look into a separate earthquake insurance policy. Sinkholes? Believe it or not, most policies don't cover these either. So if you're in an area where sinkholes have happened, this is something to ask about. What about high value items? If you have expensive jewelry, art, or collectibles, your basic policy probably won't fully cover them. You may need an extra rider or a special policy. So how do you make sure you have the right coverage? First of all, review your policy at least once a year. Don't assume you're protected because when disaster strikes, it's too late to make any changes. Also, I have some great local resources if you need recommendations for trusted insurance providers here in Middle Tennessee. If you want help finding the best policy for your situation, just reach out. I'd be happy to connect you. Look, at the end of the day, insurance isn't just another bill. It's peace of mind. And trust me, that peace of mind is worth every penny when something unexpected happens. If this video was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos about homeownership, real estate, and everything in between. And hey, if you have any questions about insurance or anything real estate related, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. I'm Eddie Mann with Team George Weeks Real Estate. Let's turn your dreams into keys. See you next time.